Alright, what's up guys? AM Bassin out here today. Today we're fishing another local pond. We're actually going to be pond hopping today. So that's what this video is going to be called. We're going to be going to another local pond. We're going to actually start off bait caster, little spinner bait, little trailer on it. Gonna go ahead and cast out there and see if we can't get one right on that brush pile real quick. I'm back. Last little one before we let him go. Nice little release right there. Oh, are you a dumb shit? Oh, and he's going, guys. So, can't get down there. Just got really muddy on my shoes, so can't get down there too far. Get a really good release. The rain's actually stopping. Hold on, guys. Sorry, my glasses fell off. Alright. So, here we go. I actually saw that fish blow, so I do want to fish it. Oh, right there's a fish, guys. Right there. Oh, yeah. I just saw him blow up on it, too. Get up here. Yep, right there's a nice one. Nice one, guys. Very nice one, guys. Yeah, there we go. We got our 1 pounder there. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Nice fish, guys. Nice solid 1 pounder. Probably even bigger. After we had already walked through all that. See, guys, that just goes to show that. Oh, right there's another one, guys. Got on another one, guys. Don't know if he's any bigger. Yep, just a little dink, I think. Yep, a little dink, but you know, it's a fish. Oh yeah, just a little dink. I'll just have to skim through all my videos again at 2018 and see if there's any videos that, I know there will be. Already know some. All the fails that we've actually had on my ride. Alright guys, back here. Just actually tied on a buzz bait, red and white buzz bait right here. That you guys can see. Little buzz bait. So yep, gonna get out here. See if I can hook into one on the buzz bait. Get my first buzz bait fish in this pond. So yep, sorry about this, I'm just in the camera. Alright. Oh crap, guys. That was a great first cast on the buzz bait. Yeah, very bad backlash from that. Guys, when I get this out, I'm actually gonna set the camera down. You can actually see the back of me, and if I get one, I'll come to you and show you. So, alright guys, just got this out, and I'll get back to you when I get guys, I'm back. Found actually the H&H Bassin just hooked into one little dink. So, yeah, he's caught 3 so far, and I've caught 5. Yep, that's right, 5. So, we're actually gonna go down here. Stinks that my camera died, but it did. And I actually found this little camera mount for my phone. It's not too good, but I mean, it'll work. It's better than not finishing off the video. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Yeah guys, so here we go. Gonna finish off the video right here. Let me get this camera lined up real quick. That's exactly where we want it. So let's go guys. See if we can't get another fish, guys. Make it 6 for the day. H&H Bassin's actually pulled off 3 fish off this one little hole right here. So we're gonna fish the other side and see if we can't get one too. I think that they should actually be biting spinnerbaits really good right now, considering that it's in this little rain right now. Luckily I got a life-proof case. I probably wouldn't be filming on my phone if I didn't right now. So, yep. I'll walk down right here. See if I can't hook into one real quick. Yep. Alright guys, just got snagged on that limb. Guys, first time we got snagged on that, on the spinnerbait, so I'm gonna pull that back. I'm bringing the tree with me. That might be bad because it's probably scaring the fish out of that little hole right there. But it popped, guys. I'm gonna go tie on another one. I may tie on a buzz bait, but I will get back to you when I do so. Hey, what's up, guys? So AM Bassin here today, and well, I'm still out here at this local pond with H&H Bassin. We're gonna wrap up the video right here. I didn't catch any more afterwards, but still had a good time fishing out here. I caught 6. I'm pretty sure I got the 6 fish on camera. I'm not positive. Yeah, but I guess that we're gonna wrap up the video here, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And always subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications and like the video. Thank you very much. And this is AM Bassin, and I'm out. Peace.